Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com. It is finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1972 GMC Blazer. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal, brand new timing cover, new balancer, correct water pump for the 72 GMC Blazer. We have the aluminum cylinder heads on there, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. These real nice Chevrolet valve covers. The black Chevrolet air cleaner with the washable filter element. Air gap aluminum intake manifold. Thermostats in there, thermostat housing. You have the correct oil pan for the 72 GMC. The Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, red. All the wire markers are on there. Quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring and bracket, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important on the 72 Blazer for firewall clearance. We have a manifold vacuum fitting installed for easy hookups, correct flex plate, correct tooth count and balance, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, high flow fuel pump, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines with all the loop clamps going up to the carburetor. Gas filters installed. Every engine at the engine factory is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in a stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature. Be completely dialed in. The timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted. So there you have it. This is our 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package engine. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.